Good day to everyone. My name is Laika Elorio from BSHM 4D. Affinity diagram. It is analytical tools to gather and organization information from the significant amount of mixed data sourced from researches, insight, concept, diagram, breakthrough ideas, and design. This method is employed to sort and bundle information into groups or based on their relationship. Often there's connection and relation provide deeper insight and new ideas. Brainstorming. It's a method of to generate ideas from a group of people to solve a design problem under the direction of a facilitator. Member of the group contribute ideas freely to cover as many areas as possible in the research of best possible design. Road ideas contributed by the participant are the gathered and the refined to determine solution. Character profiles. This supplement the understanding and the appreciation of designer by providing pattern of trends about service user. Knowing the profile will also help in justifying the innovation and improvements designed for the clients. Conceptual interview. It refers to interview conducted in the national environment where is the service occurs. User journey map. It is a diagram that uses illustration, photography, and or question tiling start the journey of the use through a service. It is help in identifying the key stage and the touch point along the use service experience. What were part of the service work for the user and what part need to improve. It is the useful technical to understand the motivation of customer in the relation to their want needs, his utilizations and concern. Cultural promise. These are also referred to as user the area to provide a way gathering information about people and their activities and insight about the daily of communities. Documentaries. There are tools used to provide information in the initial stage of the design process. This method is a visual representation for human emotion and experimentation captured through themes. Empathy proverbs. These are tools for design that considers what the user are thinking and feeling more than what they are doing and saying. Ethnographic user research is a tool used to support a deeper understanding of the design issues for service. Designers through these research tools and designer will be able to establish what motivates the user to do something and what hinders them to not to think. Experience prototype. It is the simulate of service to taste new service ideas or design for satisfy physical touch point and seek out whether the design is applicable to the use of identify the area and called possible improve. Focus group. It is the setting up deliberately selected people who are participants of discussion about a particular topic which intend to bring out their perception and feedback to design ideas. Immersion workshop. It is also known as empathic research or rules playing. A researcher involves himself with the study area and by becoming part of it, it is a good source of information since the designer will have an actual experience with regarding to emotion and social interaction with the community. Observation. It is the method that can be used to identify problem with user are interacting. Observation. It is the method that can be used to identify problem with when users are interacting with a product. Through observation, service can be evaluated and the user experience can be determined to the certain level. Personance. These refer to functional characteristics created as archetype, not stereotypes, to represent types of users that avail of the service of product of companies. Personas are created to help understanding and need behavior, experience, and goals of users. Prototyping. This tools is used to examine the behavior and the information of the fresh design before it goes to production. Their service is tested by observing the interaction of the user with prototype of the service, mimicking the venue setting in the condition where the service is actually rendered. The kinds of prototyping method are the following. Sketches diagram. These are used to illustrate the ideas from discussion and the analyze. Sketches are among the earliest form of prototyping and also the simplest to use them to be acceptable or of value. Storyboarding. This is the presentation of case for prototype scenario using series of drawing of picture to visualize. Storyboarding. This is the presentation of case for prototype scenario using series of drawing of the picture of to visualize to sequence of event. Building block prototype. Beyond the ideas of having fun with building block as a toy and the versatility and ability to stimulate creativeness has made this toy the available to tools and prototyping. Role play. This refers to acting out service situation where users interact with product of service. The employed condition satisfy to the direction where the service design should take that the service really accept and then render a possible journey through its functionalities. Physical models. For design service that may require physical representation, mockups can be created for the testing materials that can be used include proper cardboard, wax, clay, and wood, among other to build the models. User-driven prototype. This prototype method uses a unique approach in coming up with the service design. Instead of the designer conjuring a design for the service user, it is indeed the user who will get to make up design. Scenarios. This refers to the creation of a physical story to visualize how user will be utilize a service in order to generate design. Scenarios can either be written or drawn in with significant details to anticipate and demonstrate the needs to user. Service prototype. This is the simulators to test the service design through observation for the interaction between the user and the prototype of the service set in the place, situation, and the condition where the service truly exists. Shadowing. The researchers act as observers only that those interfere with the participant in any simultaneous in this method, the researchers goes along with the user in the observes how they utilize the services product within their natural environment. Is- ex- Stakeholder map. It is the tools that is show a visual information of the organization, staff, sponsor, investor, investor board, partner organization, or customer. The map reflects the level of interest and information of the stockholder in the organization. The stockholder as listed shorted on the chart based on the extent of their understand interest and the influence or the power each hold in the organization stockholder. Map help determine who among the stockholder processes the biggest impact on the organization. Thank you.